Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to plot a histogram of any data in Dragonfly software. The version that I'm going to use today is 2022.2. First, let me load an image using import image files and then go to add and then choose the image that you wish to have a histogram. So this is one of the public data set data that I'm loading. Then click open and go to next, and then as it is an RGB, I'm going to use convert this to grayscale channel and then click finish, and then make sure your data is selected. It's already selected, and then go here on your right under tools histogram, click on that. You will see a histogram. Also over here you see a lot of measurements, so please check all the measurements that you would like to have on your plot. So I'm going to use this, and if you want to see this date measurements on the plot, just use show legend option. That's it. And if you want to have like different colors on your background, you can just go to preferences and go here on colors. You will see you can have different colors for each, like for example the background, bins, bin edges, range, labels. For each one you can have different colors and make your plot attract you. That's it. Thank you for listening.